Hi there, students. Ripple. A ripple as a countable noun. And I guess as a verb as well, to ripple. Okay, if you throw a small stone into a lake or a pond, you will see little waves coming out. Those are ripples. So ripples are small waves that on the surface of a piece of water. So I threw a stone into the lake and small ripples spread across the water. Yeah. Um, this word ripple makes me think of raspberry ripple ice cream. I wonder why. Okay, raspberry ripple or fudge ripple or chocolate ripple. It's got like thin lines, like little waves of colour and flavour or different flavours going through it. And I think that's the idea. It looks like it's got ripples of raspberry in it. Okay, so raspberry ripple ice cream. And then we can also use this word ripple more metaphorically to talk about a sound or a feeling or something that spreads through a person or a group of people, yeah, becoming greater and then less. So, for example, a ripple of laughter, a ripple of applause. So it comes up and goes down. Yeah. I felt a ripple of unease when I saw how the situation was developing. Yeah. I felt a ripple of excitement when she kissed my lips. Okay. So it's like something that comes into you, and then it decreases. Yeah. Okay, so a ripple, yeah? Anything that represents ripples. You can have ripples in the sand, like the ones in water as well. Or a rising and falling sound or feeling that spreads through a person or a group, or a feeling that spreads through a person. Yeah, so a ripple of excitement. Okay, there were a ripple of disquiet went through the audience. Okay, so it's all to do with this little undulating wave motion. It's not as big as a great big wave. Yeah. Um, yes, I guess an event could call ripples in society, subsequent effects that moved through the society. So, ripples of the problems within the economy rippled through society. Yeah. Or, yes, COVID caused ripples throughout our society in many different ways. It's got main effects, but other subsequent effects. Yeah, you've got the main one and then subsequent little ones that go with it. Okay, so that's the idea of a ripple. Yeah, to ripple. Okay, so number one, ripple. You throw a stone in water and you get little ripples, tiny waves. A ripple of excitement. Ooh. A ripple of laughter, a ripple of excitement went through the people watching. Yeah, I felt a ripple of excitement up and down my spine. Yeah, I felt a ripple of excitement when I saw the raspberry ripple ice cream. This ice cream with like waves of another flavour within it. Okay, and this is the idea of ripple. Let's see, formality. I think I would give this word ripple a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Proto-Germanic shrimpana, to bend or to curve or to make waves. Yeah. And that's the idea of ripple. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. I hope this video makes ripples through society.